SelectaDNA. SelectaDNA is a forensic marking system that can be used to deter theft, mark property, and aid in the recovery of stolen goods. It is a unique synthetic DNA code that is applied to property in a visible or invisible spray. When the property is stolen and recovered, the police can use a UV light to identify the SelectaDNA marking and link the property back to the owner. SelectaDNA is a proven crime prevention tool. In one study, it was found to reduce theft by up to 83%. It is also a valuable tool for law enforcement. SelectaDNA has helped to convict hundreds of criminals and recover millions of dollars worth of stolen property. If you are looking for a way to protect your property, SelectaDNA is a good option to consider. It is a cost-effective way to deter theft and increase the chances of recovering your stolen property. Here are some of the benefits of using SelectaDNA. Deters theft. The visible and invisible SelectaDNA markings act as a deterrent to thieves. They know that if they steal property that is marked with SelectaDNA, they are more likely to get caught. Marks property. SelectaDNA can be used to mark a wide variety of property, including jewelry. VirTra. VirTra is a company that develops and manufactures virtual reality (VR) simulation training systems for law enforcement, military, and other first responders. The company's systems are used to train personnel in a variety of skills, including firearms use, de-escalation, and tactical decision-making. VirTra systems are designed to provide a realistic and immersive training experience. Trainees wear VR headsets and sensors that track their movements, and they interact with virtual characters and environments. This allows trainees to practice their skills in a safe and controlled environment before they have to use them in the real world. VirTra systems are used by a wide range of organizations around the world, including the United States Department of Defense, the United States Department of Justice, and the police forces of many major cities. The company has also been recognized for its work by several organizations, including the National Rifle Association and the Association of American Police Chiefs. Increased safety. W Motors Ghiath Smart Patrol Car. The W Motors Ghiath Smart Patrol is a high-tech police SUV that is designed to help law enforcement officers fight crime more effectively. The vehicle is packed with features, including a 360-degree deployable periscope camera, 8 exterior surveillance cameras, facial and license plate recognition systems, a 16-inch screen inside that's hooked up with the main dispatcher, and even a driver behavior camera. It also has a custom-built rear bench, protective cage, and compartments in the cargo area for search and rescue equipment. The Ghiath is powered by a Nissan Patrol V8 engine. It is capable of reaching speeds of up to 240 km/h, 150 miles per hour, and has a range of 650 km, 400 miles. The Ghiath is currently in use by the Dubai Police Force. It is also being marketed to other police departments around the world. 360-degree deployable periscope camera. This camera gives officers a panoramic view of their surroundings. Starchase Handheld GPS Launcher. The Starchase Handheld GPS Launcher is a non-lethal law enforcement tool that is used to deploy GPS tracking tags onto fleeing vehicles. The tags are attached to the vehicles using compressed air and can track the vehicle's movements in real time. This allows law enforcement officers to track the vehicles and apprehend the suspects without the need for high-speed pursuits. The Starchase Handheld GPS Launcher is a safe and effective alternative to high-speed pursuits. High-speed pursuits can be dangerous for both law enforcement officers and the public. They can lead to accidents, injuries, and even deaths. The Starchase Handheld GPS Launcher helps to reduce the risk of these dangers by allowing officers to track suspects without having to chase them at high speeds. The Starchase Handheld GPS Launcher is also a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of situations. It can be used to track vehicles that are fleeing from traffic stops, burglaries, and other crimes. Prod360 K9 SuperVision. Prod360 K9 SuperVision is a cloud-based software solution that helps law enforcement agencies manage their K9 units. The software provides a centralized platform for scheduling, tracking, and reporting on K9 activities. It also includes tools for managing K9 training, health, and equipment. Reduce scheduling conflicts. Prod360 K9 SuperVision allows supervisors to easily schedule K9 units for patrols, searches, and other activities. This can help to reduce scheduling conflicts and ensure that K9 units are always available when they are needed. Track K9 activity. Prod360 K9 SuperVision allows supervisors to track the activity of their K9 units. This includes tracking the time and location of patrols, searches, and other activities. This data can be used to identify trends and improve the utilization of K9 units. Generate reports. Prod360 K9 SuperVision allows supervisors to generate reports on K9 activity. IcePlate. IcePlate is a wearable hydration system that can also be used for cooling or heating the body. It is made by the company Core Performance and is available in a variety of sizes and styles. The IcePlate is made of a durable, flexible material that can be worn close to the body. It contains a series of channels that circulate water, which can be frozen or heated. The water is then transferred to the body through a network of tubes. The IcePlate can provide up to 70 watts of cooling power or 52 watts of heating power. This makes it a valuable tool for people who need to stay cool or warm in extreme environments. For example, it can be used by athletes, military personnel, and first responders. The IcePlate is also a good option for people who want to improve their recovery from exercise. The cold therapy can help to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. In addition to its cooling and heating capabilities, the IcePlate is also a hydration system. It can hold up to 50 ounces of water. Prod360 SCANFORCE Metal Detector Gloves. The Prod360 SCANFORCE Metal Detector Gloves are a discreet and effective way to detect hidden weapons and other metal objects. They are made by the company Rasta and are used by law enforcement, military, and security personnel around the world. The gloves are made of a conductive fabric that is embedded with sensors. These sensors detect the presence of metal objects and send a signal to a receiver in the glove. The receiver then vibrates to alert the wearer of the presence of metal. The SCANFORCE metal detector gloves can detect metal objects that are up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters, away from the glove. They can also detect objects that are hidden under clothing or other materials. The gloves are lightweight and comfortable to wear. They are also durable and can withstand wear and tear. The SCANFORCE metal detector gloves are a valuable tool for anyone who needs to be able to detect hidden weapons and other metal objects. They are a safe and effective way to keep yourself and others safe. Discreet. Vessel Arrest Boom. A vessel arrest boom is a maritime security barrier that is used to stop unauthorized vessels from entering a restricted area. The boom is made of a floating barrier that is anchored to the seabed. It has entanglement devices that can snag a vessel's propeller, causing it to come to a controlled stop. Vessel arrest booms are a less lethal alternative to traditional methods of stopping unauthorized vessels, such as gunfire or ramming. They are also more effective than physical barriers, such as fences or nets, which can be easily bypassed. Vessel arrest booms are used by a variety of organizations, including navies, coast guards, and port authorities. They are also being used increasingly by private security companies to protect sensitive assets, such as oil rigs and offshore platforms. Less lethal. Vessel arrest booms are a less lethal alternative to traditional methods of stopping unauthorized vessels. This can help to reduce the risk of injuries and fatalities. Effective.